August is coming to a close, and this is ThreatWire. Google has recently announced that the Google Play Store Rewards program, abbreviated as the GPSRP, is ending on August 31st, 2024. The GPSRP was created as a way to offer security researchers incentives to find vulnerabilities in apps hosted on the Play Store, a bug bounty for the bounty list, you could say. The program was in operation for 7 years. According to an email from Google sent to the participants in the program, quote, "The overall increase in Android OS security posture and feature hardening efforts, we've seen fewer vulnerabilities reported by the research community." Originally, Google created the Bug Bounty program as a way to collect vulnerability data that can be used to help create automated security checks for all apps in the Play Store. At the moment, the final effectiveness of the Bug Bounty program is unknown. In the first year of the program, Google announced it had paid out over $100,000 to over 30 vulnerabilities reported, while in the second year, reported a payout of over $265,000 in rewards. The last day to submit bugs via the program is August 31st, and final reward decisions will be made by September 30th. A new patch has been released for the SolarWinds Web Help Desk product. The vulnerability noted under CVE 2024-28987 allowed unauthenticated access and exploitation of internal functionality due to hard-coded credentials. As a reminder, please don't hard-code your credentials directly into your product, and be sure to update your SolarWinds products. On Saturday, August 24th, 2024, the CEO of Telegram was arrested. Pavel Durov was detained upon landing at Le Bourget airport traveling from Azerbaijan. The arrest was a combined effort of several French agencies acting on an alleged warrant issued by the Minor's Office of the National Directorate of the French Judicial Police. His alleged indictment is due to Telegram and, by way, his lack of moderation of the app, which has allowed it to become a major tool and accomplice in illegal activities like drug trafficking, fraud, and more. Beyond its use for illegal activities, it has become a staple for communication in different regions and groups. Telegram has become a crucial news outlet for Russians, as it is one of the few uncensored ways to hear non-Kremlin propaganda from within Russia. It has also become the top outlet for nationalistic Russian mill bloggers writing about the Ukraine war. Durov's arrest has already led to outright panic among many of them, in part due to secrets it might reveal, but also because it is commonly used by Russian forces to communicate. From a cybersecurity perspective, Telegram is thought to be an encrypted messaging application. However, this is not true by default and cannot be true in one of Telegram's most popular use cases. Messages in Telegram by default are not end-to-end encrypted. Encryption must be manually activated on a per-chat basis, called secret chats, and can only handle messages between two people. What does this mean for the long term of Telegram as a messaging app? It's not clear. There are theories being thrown around about why this happened. This story is still developing. The hacker behind the famous moniker USDoD was doxxed by CrowdStrike. Yes, that same CrowdStrike. The hunt for the person behind the screen came after USDoD leaked a list of 100,000 indicators of compromise created by CrowdStrike, as well as their list of known threat actors. It apparently took CrowdStrike less than a month to find USDoD, who is, according to the new information, a 33-year-old man who lives in Brazil. In the time between the CrowdStrike exposure and the dox, this same person executed a leak of more than 3.2 billion social security numbers via a breach of the National Public Data Company. In a statement to hackread.com, Luan, the man behind the USDoD account, has expressed that he is turning himself in to Brazilian authorities, is retiring from malicious hacking, and is ready to move on from this chapter in his life. Will that be the actual case? Maybe. Social engineering is a thing, and only time will tell if the authenticity of this statement is true. Thank you so much for watching ThreatWire for the week of August 26th, 2024. We published a DEF CON vlog on this channel if you want to check it out. It's our most recent video. My vlog is on the way too, so don't worry. If you want to support this ad-free show, please head over to patreon.com/ThreatWire. And if you want to find me online, I'm at endingwithali on everything including Minecraft. As a reminder, I do write ThreatWire live every Monday on my Twitch channel, so be sure to follow me there if you want to join in on the writing session and see what stories did not get covered on this week's episode of ThreatWire. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck, have fun, and don't get caught.